Riga is the capital of Latvia. It is known for its beautiful old town, historic buildings, and vibrant culture. The city has cobblestone streets, colorful architecture, and charming cafes. You can see medieval churches, Art Nouveau buildings, and lively markets. Riga is by the Daugava River and offers a mix of history and modern life. It is a city full of energy, history, and hidden gems waiting to be explored. Walking through Riga feels like stepping into a storybook. Riga's old town is full of narrow cobblestone streets and colorful historic buildings. You can see medieval churches and old town squares where people gather. The architecture is a mix of Gothic and Baroque styles. There are small shops, cafes, and restaurants along the winding streets. Walking here, you can feel the history of the city in every corner. The streets are lively, with music, street performers, and local culture. Old Town is the heart of Riga, full of charm, stories, and beautiful places to explore. Riga's Central Market is one of the largest and most vibrant markets in Europe. It is made up of old Zeppelin hangars filled with hundreds of stalls. You can find fresh fruits, vegetables, meats, fish, and local delicacies. The market is full of colors, smells, and lively sounds. People come here to shop, eat, and experience local life. Walking through the market gives a real taste of Riga's culture and traditions. It is a busy, exciting place where locals and visitors meet every day. The Freedom Monument is a tall and impressive landmark in Riga. It honors the soldiers who fought for Latvia's independence. The monument is made of stone and copper and stands in a busy square. People often gather around it for events and celebrations. The statue on top holds 3 stars, representing Latvia's regions. Walking near the monument, you can feel the pride and history of the city. It is a symbol of freedom, resilience, and the spirit of the Latvian people. The House of the Blackheads is a stunning historic building in Riga. It has an ornate facade with detailed sculptures and decorations. The building was originally built for a guild of merchants in the 15th century. Inside, you can see elegant halls and historic rooms that tell stories of the past. The architecture combines Gothic and Renaissance styles. It is a popular spot for photos and sightseeing. Walking around it, you can admire the beauty and craftsmanship that make this building one of Riga's most famous landmarks. The Latvian National Opera is a grand and elegant building in the heart of Riga. It hosts opera and ballet performances with world-class artists. The exterior is beautiful, with classical columns and decorative details. Inside, there are luxurious halls, chandeliers, and ornate decorations. The opera is an important center for culture and music in Latvia. Attending a performance or walking nearby, you can feel the artistic energy of the city. The building represents Riga's love for music, history, and creativity, making it a landmark admired by locals and visitors. Riga's Dome Cathedral is one of the largest and oldest churches in the city. It has a massive stone structure and a tall spire visible from many streets. Inside, you can see beautiful stained glass windows and a famous pipe organ. The cathedral combines Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque styles. It is a place of worship, concerts, and history. Walking inside, you can feel the peaceful atmosphere and the weight of centuries of tradition. The cathedral is a symbol of Riga's religious and cultural heritage, admired by visitors from around the world. St. Peter's Church is one of the most famous landmarks in Riga. It has a tall spire that can be seen from many parts of the city. The church was built in the 13th century and has been rebuilt several times. Inside, there are beautiful stained glass windows and historic details. You can take an elevator to the top for panoramic views of Riga and the Daugava River. The church combines Gothic and Baroque architecture. Walking around it, you can feel the history, art, and culture that make this place special. Riga's Art Nouveau district is famous for its beautiful and detailed buildings. The streets are lined with colorful facades, ornate balconies, and decorative sculptures. This area shows the city's rich architectural history from the early 20th century. Walking here feels like exploring an open-air museum of design and creativity. Many buildings have floral patterns, curved lines, and unique details that catch the eye. The district is peaceful to explore on foot and perfect for photography. It reflects Riga's elegance, style, and artistic spirit. Riga Castle is a historic fortress located on the banks of the Daugava River. It was originally built in the 12th century and has been rebuilt many times. The castle is home to museums and the official residence of the President of Latvia. Its white walls and towers are visible from across the river. Walking around the castle, you can see a mix of medieval and modern architecture. The surrounding area has gardens and scenic views of the city. Riga Castle is an important symbol of history, power, and culture in the heart of the city. The Powder Tower is one of Riga's oldest city gates and a historic landmark. It has a thick stone structure and a distinctive rounded shape. The tower was part of the city's medieval fortifications and once stored gunpowder. Today, it houses a museum with exhibits about Riga's history and defenses. Walking around the tower, you can see the old city walls and imagine life in medieval times. Its brick and stone design makes it stand out among nearby buildings. The Powder Tower is a symbol of Riga's past and its strength through the centuries.